Hey guys, this is gonna be my first video on this channel. I'm gonna be doing nails and stuff. So I'm a beginner, so if you see that these are kind of ratchet, don't clock me because I'm a beginner. Yeah, anyways, this is a package from NailSupplyGlamour, as you can read right there. This is my first order from them.
Get the scissors.
Girl, I don't need no scissors. These are actually 2 orders in one because I placed an order on Monday when they restocked some of their acrylic, and then I placed another order when they got the name stickers, so I wanted those, and I asked them if they could ship them together, and they did. I also used Natalie Carmona's ¿cómo se dice? Code, and I got 10% off, so use that if you would like.
Okay. Stick it in the frame.
Oh. So here's what I got. Okay, so first we're gonna start off with these things. Okay, so I got 2 12 pieces of flowers, and this is what the first one looks like. They're just gold. And then I got these Fimo slices. I'm gonna do pink lemonade nails I've seen on Instagram, so I'm gonna try to recreate it, and I'll probably make a video, and if it sucks, please like the video because I'm really trying. Anyways, I got the strawberries and the lemons. I also placed an order for more stuff off of AliExpress, and I'm kind of like upset about these because these are the flame decals, and they were $2.99 for each sheet, but I thought the sheets were gonna be bigger, and they're kind of small, like 16 sheets of flames, and I think they were bigger for like $3. So yeah, I kind of got finessed on those, but I mean, I guess it's fine because all this stuff got here in a day. It shipped out Friday and it was here Saturday because I live in the same state or whatever. Okay, so the rest of these are acrylics, and I'm new to acrylics. I'm used to doing gel nails, so these are all like my first, I guess, except for a Young Nails core powder, and yeah, that's the only other acrylic powder. Oh, and these Kiss acrylic powders, but I mixed glitter in those because they kind of sucked. I got a 1 ounce GLAM and GLITS in Vanessa, and I'll probably do swatches. I don't know. If I do, they'll be included. I guess I'll show y'all what it looks like. It has shimmer, and it's just like a Tiffany blue color. I got another GLAM and GLITS in, this one's a purple in Boardwalk, and that's what that one looks like. And this is like a pink corally color, and this one is to a T. And then I got Sunset Paradise, which is like an orangey, or actually this one's more like the coral color. It's very cute. Yellow is called Sunflower, and it's just a shimmery yellow, and it's very super cute. And then the last GLAM and GLITS one that I got is Cabana. Got 2 Mia Secret powders. I got the Cover Pink, and y'all probably already know what this looks like because I see this everywhere. Oh. Anyways, y'all know what it looks like. I'm not opening it because my nail really hurts. And then I got the white. Y'all, this one's probably sealed. Yeah, I got the white because I'm gonna try to do baby boomers. We'll see how that goes. And then these are the NailSupplyGlamour branded acrylics, and I got 4 colored ones and 3 glitters. Okay, yeah, we're just gonna wait for the swatches because I'm not opening these right now. So I got AB number 7, AB 1, and AB 2. And then I got this neon. I think these are all neon acrylics. And this one's in N9.
I think that was a cute.
Yeah, I don't really know what that is. But I'll link it down below if you want to get it. Yeah, these are all sealed, so I'll just show you all the colors on the outside. I'll leave the prices and stuff too, if y'all want to get it, and links. So those are the ones I got. And then I got a black. Looks like a brown, but I mean, I guess it's fine. Anyways, that's all I got. And then I'll be inserting swatches, and please subscribe for more videos because I'm going to start doing nail stuff. And peace. Okay. Oh! Oh.
Disgusting!
God, don't shut up. You're seriously starting to piss me off. Anyways,
Oh my gosh. That actually kind of hurt. I might have just busted my real nail right now.
Oh, my toes are in it.